Ever wondered what makes a video truly pop? Could the secret be in the palm of your hand? Welcome to the world of Capcut, where creativity knows no bounds. Let's dive into what's new, what's coming, and whether Capcut is the right video editing app for you. Number 1. Introduction to Capcut, a popular video editing app owned by TikTok. It's used by millions around the world for creating short, engaging videos. And in 2023, it's bringing a slew of new features and improvements. From 3D effects to live streaming, the game is about to change. Number 2. New features arriving in 2023. Capcut will introduce 3D effects for stunning visuals, AI-powered editing tools for professional creators, a broadened music library for diverse soundscapes, collaboration features for team efforts, and live streaming capabilities for real-time connection with followers. Number 3. Improvements to existing features. Capcut isn't just about the new. It's also enhancing what's already there. Speed control will be smoother, text editing more flexible, and chroma key features more accurate. The focus is on creating a robust platform that supports creativity at all levels. Now, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more exciting insights. Let's keep going! Number 4. The future plans of Capcut. Beyond features, Capcut has a vision. They're aiming for global reach, social connectivity, accessibility for all skill levels, and fostering professional video creation. They're striving to be the first choice for video editors worldwide. Number 5. Beneficiaries of the new features. Content creators, musicians, business, educators, and video enthusiasts stand to gain from Capcut's innovation. Whether it's standing out from the crowd, finding the perfect track, promoting a product, or educating a global audience, Capcut's 2023 updates have something for everyone. Number 6. The recent update of August 14, 2023. This wasn't just any update. It brought smooth slow motion without choppy frames, HSL adjustment for color perfection, a freeze frame effect for drama, an auto velocity tool for consistent tempo, and support for languages like Czech, Finnish, Greek, Dutch, and Hungarian. Number 7. Upcoming changes for the latter half of 2023. The excitement continues with the expected release of the earlier mentioned 3D effects, AI power tools, and live streaming. The exact dates might not be known, but anticipation is high, and Capcut is sure to deliver. Number 8. Staying updated with Capcut. With constant innovation, how do you stay in the loop? Check the Capcut website and social media, join their beta program, follow influencers, and attend workshops. Keep an eye out for changes to be among the first to explore new frontiers. Number 9. Why the new features and future plans are significant. Capcut is evolving into a more powerful, accessible, and competitive app. The addition of 3D effects, AI-powered editing tools, and live streaming capabilities will make Capcut a leading name in the world of video editing. Before we conclude, hit that like button and leave a comment. Share your thoughts or share this video with friends who might find it useful. We appreciate your support. Number 10. Taking advantage of Capcut in 2023. How can you make the most of all these features? Regularly check official sources, join beta testing, follow influencers, and engage in Capcut's community. Dive in, explore, and join the revolution of video creativity. That's all for today. Capcut is more than an app. It's a gateway to endless creativity, a tool that grows with you, evolves with the industry, and stands as a companion in your journey of video creation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.